Hi everyone, in this video, I want to talk about the things that are affecting your iPhone's battery, making it last less and lowering your battery health without you even noticing. If these tips are useful to you, I'd be very grateful if you subscribe and leave a comment. Now, let's get started. Enable dark mode. First, go to Settings and search for Display and Brightness. If your iPhone has an old screen, iPhone 11 Pro and newer, enabling dark mode will save a lot of battery and reduce eye strain. Auto brightness. Next, go to Settings, search for Auto brightness, and turn it on. This saves battery because your iPhone sensors constantly calculate the right brightness for your environment, protecting both your battery and your eyesight. 3. Background app refresh. Go to Settings, search for Background app refresh, and make sure it's turned off. When this is on, the system is constantly updating apps in the background, which drains your battery and uses extra storage. Location services. Go to Settings and look for Location services. Check which apps have always permission. If you don't need it, change it to when using the app or never. This will help your iPhone use less battery. Siri settings. Go to Settings and search for Listen for Siri. Make sure this is turned off. If enabled, the microphone is always on, waiting for your voice, which uses extra battery. 6. Raise to wake. Go to Settings, look for Raise to wake, and disable it. If this is on, every time you move your iPhone, the screen turns on, wasting unnecessary energy. 7. The seventh thing I recommend is that you disable keyboard vibration and sound. To do this, go to Settings, type keyboard vibration, and disable vibration and sound. This will reduce battery consumption, mainly due to vibration, which drains the battery too much if left on. 8. Optimized battery charging. Finally, enable optimized battery charging if you like to charge your iPhone above 80%. It makes charging slower at the end, but it significantly protects your long-term battery health. 9. If you notice that your phone is overheating while charging, try removing the protective case to lower the temperature. If this video was helpful, I'd be very grateful if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.